Welcome to Top 26 YouTube Channels to Follow for Dropshipping Success. Number 20. This YouTube channel is all about living life to the fullest with 88.6k subscribers. Number 19. Tyler's Take is a YouTube channel about dropshipping and making money, offering entertainment and insights for 6.15k subscribers. Number 18. Paul Lee's YouTube channel is a great resource for entrepreneurs looking to learn about Shopify dropshipping and gain valuable mentorship. Number 17. TreasureTuber is a YouTube channel helping people make money online in 2022 with 7.05k subscribers. Number 16. Christian Albrecht's YouTube channel is a great source of knowledge on e-commerce, with over 13.5k subscribers. Number 15. J Crumpton's YouTube channel is an invaluable resource for those looking to learn how to succeed at dropshipping. Number 14. DSers is the official AliExpress dropshipping partner providing users with automated order fulfillment, supplier curation, and more. Number 13. This channel is hosted by Vilius Dainora, a former semi-professional athlete sharing his transition to online business with 19.7k subscribers. Number 12. Nate Schmidt's YouTube channel helps entrepreneurs make money online with e-commerce and dropshipping, boasting over 56k subscribers. Number 11. Oberlo's YouTube channel offers helpful resources for e-commerce entrepreneurs with over 85 million products sold worldwide. Number 10. This YouTube channel provides helpful tools to help Amazon dropshipping business owners grow their business faster. Number 9. This YouTube channel provides powerful tools to simplify the dropshipping and affiliate business process. Number 8. Mikey Kass is a YouTube channel that provides fun, informative videos on pop culture, comedy, lifestyle, and travel. Number 7. Dropship Downunder is an Australian YouTube channel offering courses, coaching, and advice on building a successful drop shipping store in Australia. Number 6. Wane is an inspiring entrepreneur who helps others build and scale their own dropshipping businesses, sharing valuable business insights with 19.8k subscribers. Number 5. YAKKYOFY offers an easy, comprehensive solution for e-commerce success. Number 4. Scott Hilse's YouTube channel provides helpful tutorials for stock trading, e-commerce, and digital marketing to help you make money online. Number 3. Leon Green's YouTube channel offers actionable advice for aspiring entrepreneurs to start an online business and make money through Shopify dropshipping. Number 2. This YouTube channel helps dropshippers learn how to grow successful businesses with tips, tutorials, and updates on AUTODS. Number 1. YAKKYOFY-ALL is a YouTube channel helping dropshippers around the world succeed with detailed information, online and in-person consultancy, and custom solutions. That's it for our countdown of the top 20 dropshipping YouTube channels from Top List Central, your source for discovering top lists in AI, business, technology, self-development, and finance. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful, and stay tuned to Top List Central for more lists like this either on our website or follow us on Twitter.